Lesson 1, Unit 3, the project environment. Projects have to interact with two environments. The internal environment, which deals with the organization's culture, politics, policies, and norms, and the external environment that deals with the country or the region's socioeconomic, political, environment, health, and infrastructure. Project management depends on a set of processes, skills of people, and tools, and these in turn are impacted or limited by either the internal environment, which is the organization, and the external, which is the country or region. Project management interacts with the environment with the three components. The first one is the process. That includes all the policies, all the procedures and regulations. The second is the skills people have, and that includes the training, the capacity, the experience, and labor markets. The third one is tools. These are the technology, communications, and other infrastructure needed by the project. The internal environment will have an impact on the three components. Process, which are the policies and procedures and standards used in the organization, and in some cases are mandated. Skills, the capacity, experience, knowledge of the people in the organization. This includes the training that is available by the organization that the projects can use. And the tools, which include the technology, infrastructure, the software applications, and databases that are standard in the organization. The external environment also has an impact on the three components. The process, which are the donor requirements and local government regulations related to project work. The skills, the local labor market, education centers that you can use to train your team. And the tools, what is available in the market, and the quality of the infrastructure for information technology. All three components are impacted by the internal and the external environment. As a project manager, you will need to understand the limitations, regulations, procedures, availability, and other factors that will impact these components and plan your project to reduce their impact. Dealing with this project environment requires that you need to have a good understanding of the factors that can have an impact on your project. You need to identify any constraints or limitations in the processes, the skills, and tools you plan to use in your project. You also need to monitor for changes. There may be new regulations, new technologies, and changes in the labor market that will have an impact on your project.